Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss probability. It is related to secondary classes, 8th, 9th, 10th. Easy way to write sample space of 1 coin, 2 coins, 3 coins and 4 coins and so on. First of all, we have to know how many possible cases in sample space are possible. Number of coins tossed 1. Possible cases are 2 raised power 1 means 2. It is 2 raised power n, n means number of tosses. If number of coins are 2, then 2 raised power 2 that is equal to 4. Number of coins 3, 2 raised power 3, 8. 4 coins, 2 raised power 4, 16. 5 coins, 2 raised power 5, 32. 6 coins, 2 raised power 6 means 64 and so on. We can go beyond it. But there is very simple way to write sample space. I have written sample space for 4 coins. You can write up to 8 coins, 10 coins or so on. But this number go on increasing. If I toss 1 coin, then there are 2 possible cases, head, tail. If I toss 2 coins, how to write? 2 coins means number of cases are 4. You will write 2 head, 2 tail, means 2 heads, 2 tails. Now what is half of 2? It is 1. Then you write it 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail. Once again, if 2 coins are tossed, number of cases 4, you will take half heads, half tails. 2 head, 2 tail, then alternately head, tail, head, tail. If I toss 3 coins, then number of cases are 8. First, you will write 4 h, 4. Then 4 t, t. I have taken 4 first of all. Then I will take half of it. 2 means 2 head, tail, head, tail. First, there are 8 cases, 4 heads, 4 tails. Then take half of it. Half of 4 is 2. 2 head, 2 tail, 2 head, 2 tail. Then again take half of 2 also. 1 means 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail. This is sample space for throwing 3 coins together. Now we come to 4 coins. How many cases are? 16. 4 coins, total number of cases are 16. Now half of 16 is 8. I am going to write at 8 times. At 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 times t. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is half of 8? Half of 8 is 4. Now at second position, 4 at. 4 tails, t. Again 4 at. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 t. These are 4 t's. Now I take half of it. What is half of 4? 2. At third place, I write 2 at. Then t. At, t. At, t. Then at fourth place, because number of coins are 4, I will take half of it. 8 to 4, 4 to 2, 2 to 1. It means head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. Now, if we consider this formula, it is head, tail. First, one coin, head, tail. Here is 2, 2. It is 1, 1 formula. It is 2, 1 formula. And third is 4, 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. And fourth is 8, 4, 2, 1. If I come to 5 coins, here, 32 cases, then this formula will be 16, because half of 32 is 60, then 8, then 4, then 2, then 1. And you will get 5 cases, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the most easy way to write sample space of 1 coin, 2 coin, 3 coin, 4 coin, so on. You can write up to any number of coins, and this formula is valid. That is 1, 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 8, 4, 2, 1, then 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Please keep in mind, and this is the starting point of the question related to probability, and the number of coins are tossed. Please like, share and subscribe my Alpha Beta YouTube channel. Thank you.